From Pioneer Fishing's establishment in 1947 as a fish liver oil producer, our company has grown into a progressive fishing group with extensive West Coast and East Coast operations. With a fleet of pelagic, demersal and squid vessels, we produce a wide range of products for the local and export market. Pioneer Fishing West Coast functions in partnership with Terrasan Pelagic Fishery. Together, we produce premium steam-dried fish meal, fish oil and canned pilchards, branded Sea Pride. Quality raw material, eco-friendly processing, high standards and constant process testing are a given. Our integrated activities span production, logistics and sales support infrastructures, proving that with us, service delivery is as important as product delivery. Our purse seine vessels harvest 3 pelagic species: wild-caught anchovy, round herring and pilchard. Fish stocks are monitored by the Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries, with South Africa being one of the few countries where all landings are recorded by independent government representatives at the factory or quay. This prevents overfishing and targeting of non-quota species, ensuring future availability. We comply with all national and international environmental conservation policies and regulations relevant to our industry. Reducing fuel consumption and operating modern, energy-efficient equipment also reduces our carbon footprint. Fish meal and fish oil are processed from January to October. The Aranhofus facility in St. Helena Bay includes the fish meal and fish oil factory, a pilchard cannery, an ice plant, as well as engineering and mechanical workshops. Pioneer Fishing produces a full-body fish meal by using all the components of the fish. It results in a superior product that has a higher water-soluble protein content compared to fish meal that is produced by using only the press cake. As Pioneer Fishing has the capacity to release the full potential of our raw materials and extract the maximum value from our processing plant, our fish oil undergoes the same rigorous quality controls as our fish meal. Our pilchard cannery produces canned pilchards in tomato and hot chili sauce in different sized units. The cannery is highly automated and is operated by skilled staff. Our growth is about much more than profit. Above and beyond quality processes and products, we value the people who make it possible. We implement employment equity policies and established an Employee Share Ownership Trust, ESOP, which owns 10% of the company. The trust makes it possible for employees to share in the company's profit by receiving annual payouts. Our employees are also rewarded with long service awards. Pioneer Fishing makes an effort to connect with our employees in their socio-economic contexts because their world is part of ours. We do this by using innovative methods, such as industrial theatre, to offer support and information regarding work topics such as safety, recycling, responsibility, as well as social issues including substance abuse, sexual harassment, domestic violence, and more. It has been successful in reaching the wider communities with a fun yet educational message. As a responsible corporate citizen, Pioneer Fishing is dedicated to skills development with ongoing training and learnerships. We prioritize investment in the communities in which we do business by offering workers and their families support programs related to healthcare and awareness, education, housing, and more. We invest in the future of our youth by sponsoring equipment and resources for extra maths tuition and workshops for teachers. We also cover the running costs of the West Coast Youth Centre, used by schools and charities from disadvantaged communities. Pioneer Fishing's corporate social investment strategy makes provision for substantial donations to schools, senior citizen homes and hospitals. Through 3 community trusts, we provide financial aid to thousands of children and students, as well as elderly, disabled and impoverished people. We strive to make a long-term difference. All of this starts with our biggest asset, people. Whether your interest is in our West Coast canning, fish meal and fish oil operations, or in our wet fish processing plant on the East Coast, you will find that South Africa is a beautiful and amazing country. Let's work together to let our industry thrive for generations to come. The future started yesterday.